Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Pinterest and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And then you can go to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.